It's your girl Ceci. Welcome back to another video. And today I have my little sister.
Hey, I'm the baby brother.
And I have my baby brother in the back seat, and then I have my other baby brother. He's not a baby, my little brother. And then my friend Fatima is going to go get my purse. But we are going to the haunted car wash. Yes, to get my car washed because tomorrow we're going to a haunted house and my car is kind of dirty because it's dirty.
And a bird pooped on her window when we went to the beach. Yuck.
Yes. But we'll get back with you when we're at the car wash. It's really hard to drive and get this at the same time.
Guys, do you want to know?
Look, you see Jason right there?
Jason?
Look at all the clowns. Hold on, can I lock my door real quick? Hold on.
That's it.
Oh shit, that's it, the clown.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, here, hold on, put the blanket on the baby.
He'll be alright.
They already fucking with that car right there. Oh, hell no. Hold on, wait, hold the fuck. Oh, shit! Oh, hell no. Oh, shit!
Yeah, fat ass forehead.
Hell no. Can I work here? Oh, my put over. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh hell no, that's Freddy Krueger, bitch. I can't do Freddy Krueger. Which one do I go to?
Oh fuck, there's Daniel.
This one or this one? This one or this one?
I don't
one?
know. This one.
Oh, he said this one. Hold on. Oh hell no.
Can I be a slutty nurse?
Oh hell no. Hold the fuck up. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey yo.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
I know he ain't just saying slutty nurse.
Look, clown my head. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Just drive out here. Drive out here.
He'll be out of the car.
Oh shit. That's it. On the damn window. He's rocking the car.
You gonna watch that? You know.
Hey yo, we don't.
Hold on. Wait. He said like my transmission. Hey, look. I ain't trying to look like I'm having sex in the car. Oh shit.
I thought he seen the baby seat.
Oh hell no. I can't fucking Freddy Krueger.
Why are they out of the car?
Drive out of here.
He fucking-
Home. I'm here.
You're scared.
Drive home.
Meow meow. Oh my bad. We made it and they was banging on the windows and Elisa's real scared. Elisa, look at me.
No,
When did you get scared?
just now.
Just when who was banging on the window?
It's you.
Baby, stop crying. You want to come sit up here with me?
No,
Here, I can hold you, baby.
no.
You want to be by Daniel? Why? He ain't gonna protect you.
Take me home.
Listen, Lisa, look at all the lines. Look, there's no one here. There's no one scary. Look. But look how long the line is. We can't get out, girl.
No,
Baby.
take me home.
Oh, shit.
Take me home. Take me home. I
Oh,
never
yeah.
want to be here again.
You know- She said, I never want to be here again. Oh, hell no.
Oh, don't want me to die.
He trying to open the door. You see that? Hold on. Wait a minute. Lisa, look who at the window. He said, roll the window down. Ah! Hell no. Okay.
Wait, no. No.
I'm gonna unlock the door. I'm gonna unlock the door.
Oh no.
Mateo awake?
I know it's nice.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Look who else is there. Oh. No, my door. No, I'm good. You ain't shit. Why you open my window? Oh shit!
What is going on? Who did this?
Scared baby! Scared baby! I did not even know that the door was open. Hold on. Everybody make sure the door locked. Everybody make sure the door locked.
He was finna take that home for real.
I know I said I wanted Daddy to be gone.
Mikael Myers.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it, Fatima? Who is that? Who's that man right there?
I can't repeat it.
Who's it? Mikael? Myers? He busted window. Oh shit! He yelled. He busted windows at your car.
Tell me.
Double chin.
You think if I play some twerk music, he start shaking that ass? Oh.
He finna throw those rolls back.
Oh shit!
Take me back home.
There's no.
Oh, good thing I had the windows locked. Elisa, look who it is.
Yeah, what's up?
Ooh.
Take me home. You're torturing
I'm not
me.
home. We're at the
Girl, you said you wanted to come. My sisters are not here no more. Can I see your face though for the video?
No.
Let me see your face for the video.
Never.
Why are you acting like that? You said you wanted to go.
I'm playing. I was just playing with you guys. I was going to say when we were going to the car wash.
You kept saying, are we there yet?
Yeah, because I want.
We're here now.
Daniel, Elisa, you wanna you wanna talk to Mikael?
No.
Go.
I'm so scared. Oh.
You're okay,
There's
baby.
a little girl in that car and she's
For
not even
real,
scared, bro.
Elisa, she's sitting in the front seat with her mama.
You know what? You going out there to talk to her.
She's going out there to talk to who?
Nice.
It's Mikael.
Mikael.
Bring it back, Mom.
And you're gonna say my ears. You're not gonna die. Look at that lady hanging on the thing. Look, Elisa, she's hanging on the thing.
Why is she doing that?
Cause it's fake. It's not real. Elisa, remember what you told me when we was driving over here?
Why is she doing that?
Elisa, remember what you said when we was coming over here? You said that they're not real.
Can you stop touching my...
Did we get on the right line?
He told me to go on this line.
We have a
Go,
monthly
go.
membership.
Just take me home. I just want to see Mommy and Dad.
Elisa, but remember what you told me? You said they're not real.
But Dad is so scary.
Come here, baby. You want a hug? You want a hug, baby? What? They don't hug her. Stop.
I'm trying to get her up.
Hug
I
her.
can't move.
Oh shit.
Yo, what that tongue do?
No, not again.
Do it again.
Hold on. Why?
He said, what that tongue doing?
His finger's soft.
Go up, princess.
You want to come up here with me, baby?
Go, sis.
Just hug her.
I can't.
Is his armpit stank? What'd you say, baby? You want to be what?
I want to be home with my family.
We're here. We are family.
Even if you're darker than me.
Mommy and Daddy will come here.
Oh, but you said you wanted to go, baby.
I do.
We're here with Mikael. We're here with Mikael Myers. He's gonna. That's our new brother.
Wanna go talk to them?
Put my window up, please.
Okay, nice.
I locked the window so nobody can roll their windows down no more. Yeah, because now I can control it. Because Fatima can, but you was holding on to the door so they wouldn't open it. The window is up, baby.
So, what you guys been so far?
No, they're not, baby. Stop.
I just want to go back home.
Baby, stop. Look, there's a nice lady right there.
No!
She look good. She don't look scared.
She looks like a slave car wash.
No. Just take me out.
You sure you
Take
want to
you want to get out right now? Well, don't say take you out.
Take me home.
We are gonna take you home. Don't worry.
No, take me home.
We are, baby.
Calm down.
No.
While you're crying,
It's
Mateo's
okay,
trying to play with
Mateo.
his feet. He's playing with his feet. Oh my god. How are you gonna go to content house, huh?
She's a nice lady. Here, Fatima. Hold. Record. Hold it sideways.
Damn, hurry up, she's trying to take off. She said, ooh, she got nasty. She said, what she said?
She said lights off.
Put it on neutral.
And neutral?
Yeah. Foot off the brake. Head off the wheel.
I'm trying to hear what she said.
Okay, you can give it back to me now. Oh shit, I'm getting scared. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna back up from the from this side.
She's kind of cute.
Hey, Lisa, make sure Lisa's covered. Oh shit, I thought I saw something. Ah! That's just somebody else. Shit, I'm coming with my eyes. I ain't gonna lie to you right now. Fatima, I'm kind of fucking scared. I ain't gonna lie, bitch.
You think they really put people in here?
I don't know. I thought I saw somebody. Hey, I've never been so scared to get my car washed in my life. I like my birthday season, you feel me?
Oh, then they put this window down.
Yo, I feel like my car getting that good. Oh shit! What is this? Oh hell no. I see a scary guy. Can I do it? Take it out. Let me see if I can. Listen, the car wash was not scary. It at Slender Man.
Y'all said the man fit.
Yeah, I think
Put your workout routine for
Here, Fatima. Can I get it in drive now?
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm trying to put.
Go where they're gonna take us. Put your goddamn mask on, boy.
Alright, we're done. Yes, we look, baby. Look, they're taking their masks off.
Damn, Freddy Krueger kind of fun.
Oh my god. It's not Freddy Krueger, it's Jose Krueger.
Jose Krueger.
So we're done, and now she wants to act like she's really, really tough now. So I told her we're gonna turn back around and go see Mikael.
And Michael Myers, something.
No,
Girl.
What is it, Daniel?
Okay.
Michael Myers, something. Michael Myers.
Mikael Myers.
No.
Yep. So now we're gonna turn back around and go see him.
Say all the characters wrong. It said Ceci said one right. Freddy Krueger.
Man, you can't even look at the characters. Be quiet.
Oh, and she was crying the whole entire time.
Yeah, but I saw one person.
Who?
I saw Jason Voorhees. I saw Jason.
You did?
I didn't cry of him. I just got scared of all the other characters.
that
And I saw
movie's
Pennywise. And I saw Pennywise.
She saw Pennywise.
So when did you put your head down?
When
When Fatima
when
what?
people
Started knocking on that window.
Fatima knocked on the window?
when
Oh, you talking about the fucking pig?
Oh, you ain't shit.
She got, Elisa, you got scared of a pig? I thought you like animals.
not killer animals. Not even Freddy
What's that
Fox.
from?
Okay, but you like animals. I mean, you like lions and they killer animals.
Well,
She got you.
Yeah.
well,
What?
um,
Nothing. Home. The baby sleep.
Barely.
Barely. We finna go inside and go watch a scary movie. More stuff coming. Stay tuned. Finna go do a change tomorrow. I'm gonna record that. Then I got some other stuff I got going down with some friends. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend.